Alright guys, so we are, let me turn my TV down. Oh wait, real quick, I can do it on my phone. Okay, let me turn it down. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some bomb noodles. And I know it's going to sound crazy. I know you like noodles. Yes, noodles. These noodles are hitting for what they're hitting for. So honestly, it's like a noodle transformation. I don't know if you guys ever had a pescatore before, but it is so good. It's so good. But that's basically what I'm making, but on a budget. This stuff probably adds up to what a pescatore really costs, but that's neither here nor there. So what you're gonna need is some ramen noodles, seafood stock. We're gonna be using the seafood stock in place of water. That's where you get your flavor from. I'm not doing no water. We're gonna use, what is this one? Onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, some butter. Of course, you gotta have that Old Bay seasoning. Wouldn't be great if you don't. Some Lawry's seasoned salt. And I always say Tony Chacharoni's, but that's not what it is. It's Tony Yep, that. It's the Creole seasoning, so that's what we're gonna use. And I didn't pick up any not mussels. I have mussels right here. These are the ones that are already in the shell. So you're gonna take them out. You can go to the store and get some without the shell, but I just didn't do that. And then shrimp, and then scallops is what they're called. Scallops, you can use that. You could add white wine to this. I didn't do it the last time just because I didn't feel like doing all the extra stuff, because I feel like that's when you're actually making the pescatore meal. But yeah, that's what you can add to this. And sometimes people add squid, but I'm not doing all that. Like I said, this is at home quick little meal. So I'm not gonna boil my noodles yet. I'm gonna cook everything else first, and I'm basically gonna use everything that's right here. Oh, I'm gonna get some smoked paprika. So just because I like to have a little spice in mine too, so we have smoked paprika, chili powder, and some ground cayenne pepper. So we're gonna use. So right now, what I'm going to do, I can cook that shrimp last too. So I'm going to sit my mussels in a boiling pot of water. So let me move back and put some water in it. It's gonna be good. You're probably gonna need, honestly, I don't like to make too many dishes, so I'm probably gonna use like 2 pots. I'm gonna try to use really one, but so we're gonna put that water on the stove. I'm gonna turn that on. Okay, so that's on the stove now, and it says to basically cook until it boils. So I'm gonna let that water boil on the stove first, and then what you gotta do is keep it in the pack. Oh man, I feel so extra with this knife. Okay, so it's 2 packs that come in. I like to put a lot of mussels in mine because I love mussels. So I'm gonna use 1 pack for myself. So basically what you're gonna do is put that in the pot of boiling hot water for 7 minutes. So as for my shrimp, because these are so big, we got the jumbo ones instead of like the regular size one, I'm gonna take a few out and I'm gonna like cut them up, okay? Okay, so now that the mussels are done, I'm gonna take them out their shells, and I'm gonna go ahead and, I can only say use 2 cups. I kind of just use enough to kind of cover the noodles. The seasoning packet in here, don't throw that away. Don't throw it away. So I got my seafood stock. I hate having to open this thing sometimes. Thank you. So, let me see. I don't really know how many cups I just poured, but I poured enough to, like, it's not covering my noodles, but it's enough to like cover the bottom part of the noodles. So like, I guess say like half of the noodles. I don't know, I'm gonna ballpark it at maybe 2 cups. I'm gonna just say 2 cups. And then I'll put this on the stove and I'll let it boil. And I'm also gonna go ahead and throw in the shrimp. Alright, so now I'm gonna take you guys over here so you can watch me take these things out the shells. Okay, so this is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water out the pot of the mussels and start taking the mussels off the shells. Be careful when you open the bag because the bag is gonna be full of like hot air and hot water still from the mussels. So that's open. I'm gonna go ahead, not all of it, but maybe like a tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna put that in the pot where the noodles are. That's all you need for that. You don't need no more butter. So all the seasonings that I originally used to season the shrimp with, we're gonna put that in the pot. Not too much because we gotta season the shrimp with it and we don't want it to be overly salty. And like I said, save that packet. So you can use the shrimp, but because I already have shrimp in mine, I didn't want to go overboard with the shrimp flavor, so I used chicken flavor noodles. So I'm going to take, like I said, all the seasonings that I use and use just a little bit in there. And then put it up pretty much. We have like 2 cabinets worth of seasoning. We love to get on the grill. So we got hella seasonings in here. I'm not going to really go too crazy on the chili, the ground cayenne pepper and the paprika because I don't want it to be overly spicy. Like as of lately, really spicy foods has not been sitting well with me. So I said like use a pinch of those 3, the paprika, the cayenne, and the chili powder. Use like literally a pinch. And now we're going to go with the onion powder because I already used garlic. Put that back. A little bit of pepper, black pepper. Back. And I say a little bit of seasoned salt, a little bit, because you don't want it to be salty. And then, okay. Okay. So now that that's in there, we're going to use like a little bit because the seasoning packets that come with the noodles are very salty, so I see you're gonna use like quite literally like that much, and you're just gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna throw the seasoning away because I'm not gonna use it. When you get to your mussels, they should be open. If they're not open, that means they probably need some more time to steam in that bag. Yeah, so now I'm gonna pull these out. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna fast forward through this. I wish you guys can smell this right now. It just smells so daggone good. I'm like, oh my gosh. Let me go check on my babies. Alright, now that those are good to go, now we're just waiting for this to boil. Well, it's already boiling. So the thing about the seafood stock you're going to be really careful about, if you got it on high, like too high, then all your seafood stock will be gone. So keep it at between like 7 and 6 or 6 and 5 on the stove. And make sure you stir all that good shit in there, because it smells good. Okay, let me wash my hands. Alright, hands are clean. I'm going to turn this down just a smidgen. And I got some messages. Let me see. So while that's boiling there, I really wish I could smell this. It smells so daggone good. Oh my gosh. I think I want to put some, I wish I still had some chives. I got like this whole spice rack, guys, but I need to re-up on it because I ran out of a few things, like the chives right there. Parsley really don't taste like nothing. It's really just a garnish. But I'm gonna add it in there because I feel like it'd be pretty. So I'm gonna add some parsley just because I want to be bougie. Something else that you can throw in there if you really want to is some minced garlic. You can do that too. I opted out of that just for the season, just because I didn't feel like being too fancy with it, but yeah. I think my noodles are just about done. I'm gonna show you guys. Do y'all see that yummy goodness? So now it is done. So I'm about to put this in a bowl. Eat my food. Oh, I could have put some kielbasa sausage in there. Oh, I didn't even think about that. This is about to turn into a seafood broil. But I'm gonna put my stuff in my bowl and I'm gonna go eat my food and watch Elf until my husband gets back from the gym. Can take that out. Take you out. Let me get a bowl. Let me make my baby a pizza or something. Perfect. So my noodles are done. Ooh, and they're hot. Oh, that smells so good. Come here, baby. Okay. Be nice. Be nice. I think I'm gonna make my baby some pizza rolls since he just woke up. This pepperoni and bacon, ooh, this is gonna be good. That's gonna be fine. It's gonna be real good. It smells so damn good in here. All that juice, yes. Ooh, yes. Let me get some of that shrimp. Oh, this bowl hot. Duh. That's what the fuck oven mitts are for. That's hot temperature wise, not spicy. But baby, when I say I'm putting y'all on, y'all need to be eating this. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's hot. I just cool down. I feel like I done burn my taste buds off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to keep tuning into this Vlogmas, guys. There's gonna be some more videos uploaded for 25 days, and we are going to be doing this giveaway real soon, real soon. I see the steam coming off of this. I think my taste buds now. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little favorite snacky snack. If you guys do make this, be sure to comment down below and let me know how it came out. But that's it for this video, guys.